Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will go through the 2019 May SAT exam, section 4, question 35. So this question has a little histogram right here, and there's a little description down below, so you may want to pause the video and quickly read the question. All right, so the question is telling us that the histogram above summarizes the distribution of a data set composed of 50 integers. The first bar represents the number of integers that are at least 0 but less than 5. The second bar represents the number of integers that are at least 5 but less than 10, and so on. What is a possible value of the median of the data set? Now, I want to make sure that you understand what median is. Median, it's basically the middle ranked number. Okay, the middle ranked number, middle ranked data. Okay, so let's just say, let me give you an example. Let's just say I give you a random set of 5 numbers. Okay, I'm going to say 5, 9, and then 10, 13, and 20. Okay, and I put them in order already. So we say, what's the median in this set of numbers? Then we say, oh, what's the middle ranked one? It will be this one, the one sitting right in the middle. So the third number right here would be the median of this set. Okay. Now, one thing that you should know is if you have a if you have a set of data that is an odd number. Okay. So if you have a total of 5 data points, then you can simply break it up into 2 halves, and then you have that one median sitting right in the middle. So that's easy. Now, what if I give you this set of numbers? 2, 8, 8, 9, and then 12, and then 16, all right? For example, we have a set of 6 numbers already sorted out in ascending order. Then we say, hey, what is the median? What's the median of this set? Well, in this case, it will be the average of these 2 numbers. So we will say, oh, the median is 8.5. Okay, so this is what happens when you have an even number of data set, or an even number of data points in the data set. Okay, so making sure that you know that. So here we have a total of 50 integers. Okay, and they're ranked as it is shown from the histogram. So that means when we try to find out the median, it would be the 25th and the 26th ranked numbers added together, and we find the average. So where are these 2 numbers? Okay, where are these 2 numbers? Let's go find out. Well, if you look at the first bar, that would give you 12 numbers. Okay, 12 numbers. The second bar is going to give you 9 numbers. So that means you have a total of 21 numbers already. Now it's getting close. Okay, we want the 25th and the 26th ranked. And then the third bar is also a total of 9 numbers, which means that you have a total of 30 numbers. So that implies the 25th and the 26th ranked number must be somewhere right here. Now, what number are they exactly? We don't know, but we know that it must be somewhere between 10 and 15. It must be at least 10, but not 15. So that's how we know the median is going to be a number between 10 and 15. This median right here is between 10 and 15. It must be greater than or equal to 10, but it is definitely less than 15. Now, if I were you, just to be safe, I'm going to pick a number in the middle between 10 and 15, and not 10 and not 15. 10 would still be correct. 15 is definitely wrong, and since we know it's somewhere in the middle, hey, let's just pick a number that's somewhere in the middle. So the answer I will pick is, let's just say 13. 13 is great. Okay, let's say 13. Now, the accepted answers are 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So if you put down any one of these 5 numbers, hey, it's all good. You got it. You got the credit. You got the point. Okay, so making sure that you know what median is very important, and making sure that you know what happens when you have an even number of data points in a data set. How are you going to approach that median? Okay, so that's also very important. It seems like every single SAT there will be a median question, so be very careful, making sure that you understand what median is. The concept is fairly easy. Just make sure that you sort the numbers, and it must be in either ascending or descending order, and you just pick out the middle ranked number, and that's it. Okay, and just to make sure that you have odd number of data points, and then you have an even number of data points, and that's how you would do it.
Do you want some extra credit? If you do, subscribe our channel. I promise you, you will learn a lot more and get extra credit from that. If you have any question, please make sure that you email us at goodacademics@gmail.com. If you have any question in math, science, or education, just send them in and we will do our very best to resolve your problems. And I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will continue to learn a lot more through our channel. See you soon.